Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing, remove power or disconnect Bluetooth, then take off the headband pad if present. Use a flat pry tool to lift the outer ring or grill carefully. Small clips hide under the cushion. Once the rim is loose, peel back the worn cover slowly to reveal the foam and wiring. Make sure you note cable routing and any adhesive spots. Take a photo if needed. This first disassembly reveals what needs replacement and prevents damage to drivers or switches. Now you remove the old foam and replace it with a matching density piece. This restores comfort and acoustic spacing. Trim the foam to match the original profile, then slide the new cover over the foam, keeping tension even so wrinkles don't change sound. Use small dabs of fabric glue only at anchor points to prevent shifting. Let set for a few minutes. Once aligned, press the plastic rim back into its clips in sequence, making sure you hear or feel each engagement. Finish by reconnecting any internal cables and reinstalling the outer ring. You should test audio at low volume before fully sealing to confirm both channels work and no connectors were pinched. Once satisfied, press the last clips home and reattach the headband or outer pads. If the sound seems muffled or unbalanced, make sure the foam thickness matches the original and no fabric obstructs the driver. Adjust spacing or trim small amounts of foam to restore clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.